Here I've got HUAWEI Nova 5T, and let me show you how to activate Battery Saver on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick battery, and here under performance mode you will find power saving mode. Smoothly click on this switcher to activate low power solution, tap on unable to do it, and that's it. Now your device is in power saving mode and it will run definitely a bit longer. Then if you would like to switch off this mode, tap on the same switcher one more time. For some extreme situation, you can activate ultra power saving mode, but remember that only a few applications, actually 3 of them, will be active there. But if you want to do it, click on this switcher, confirm that you would like to enable it, and this is it. This is how ultra power saving mode looks like, and you can use your device definitely way longer here. If you would like to exit it, tap on the exit icon in the right upper corner and confirm it by tapping on exit. So that would be all. This is how you can turn on and off power saving mode and also ultra power saving mode. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.